everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English session, that is the cooking verbs. Okay, so these cooking verbs are very useful and these are the very fundamental in the kitchen. Okay, and which will help us to describe a variety of culinary actions in the kitchen. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before starting, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So the first word for the day is great. So as shown in the picture, grate means to shred the food into small pieces. Okay, using a grater. Okay, the thing which we have shown in the picture is a grater. Okay, and the activity what we are doing is grating. Okay, let me take one example. So grate cheese before adding it to the pasta. This is the way you have to use the word grate. So the next cooking verb is chop. Its meaning is to cut the food into pieces. Using what? Using a knife. Okay, friends? Let me give an example. Chop the onions and garlic before adding them to the sauce. Okay? The next word is slice. What is meaning is to cut the food into thin flat pieces. Okay, let me give an example. Or slice the tomatoes and place them on the sandwich. Okay, the word slice we use mainly for the salads. Okay, so slicing the cucumber, slicing the tomatoes, slicing the onions. Okay, so this is the way we use for sandwiches, salads. Okay, friends. So the next word is dice. So, what its meaning is to cut the food into again smaller uniform cubes. For example, see, dice the carrot and potatoes for the stew. Okay? I hope you're understanding the difference between chop, slice, and dice. So the next very simple word we use in the kitchen is mix. So we all know this. Mix is nothing but to combine the ingredients together. Okay? For example, mix the flour, sugar, and eggs until a smooth batter. Okay, friends? So the next word for the day is whisk. What do you mean by whisk? It is nothing but to beat or stir a mixture rapidly, often to add air or to combine the ingredients. You know whisking? For example, see, whisk the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. Okay, friends, this is the word whisk. So the next word is knead. Okay, here to work duff by pressing, okay, or folding and stretching it. So actually here K is silent. We pronounce it as knead. Okay, K is silent here. So knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. So this is the way you have to use the sentence. Okay. So the next one is marinate. Marinate means most of us know this word. It is to soak the food in a seasoned liquid for a period of time. Okay, for what? To enhance the flavor. Okay, friends. So let me take one example. Marinate the steak overnight in a mixture of soya sauce and garlic. Okay, this is the way you have to use the word marinate. The next one is season. So again, season is nothing but to add spices, herbs, or salt to food to enhance its flavor. Okay, the sentence for this is don't forget to season the soup with salt and pepper before serving. Okay, before serving, we have to season the soup with what? Salt and pepper. Okay, friends. So the next word is carve. Again, carve is to cut large pieces of cooked meat into smaller, manageable portions. Okay, this is the meaning of a carve. After the example, see, after the turkey has cooled, carve it into smaller pieces for the dinner table. Okay, friends, I hope you're understanding the things. So the next word is grill. Okay, grill is nothing but to cook food on a grill. Okay, over direct heat. Okay, if you're cooking the food on direct heat, it is nothing but grilling. Okay, often it is used on an open flame. Okay, so let me take one example. We are going to grill some burgers for the barbecue tonight. Okay, so the next thing is fry. We all know fry is nothing but to cook the food by submerging it in a hot oil or a fat. I'm going to fry the chicken until it's golden and crispy. Okay, friends. Now let me take another example, that is salt. Salt. To cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter over high heat. In saute, we use a high heat. Okay, for example, she likes to saute vegetables in olive oil before adding them to stir fry. Okay, this is the difference between fry and saute. Fry is nothing but you're submerging the things in a hot oil. Saute is very easy. Small amount of oil or butter we use in this action. Okay. So the next thing is, okay. So the next thing is steam. Steam, its meaning is to cook food by exposing it to the steam from the boiling water. Okay. When the water gets boiled, with that steam, the things what we kept will be cooked. Okay, for example, steam the broccoli for about 5 minutes until it's tender. Okay, so the next thing is roast. Now, roast is nothing but to cook food in an oven with a dry heat, usually with some oil or seasoning. Okay, now let me give an example. I'm going to roast a chicken with a garlic and rosemary for dinner. Okay, friends, I hope you're understanding the kitchen vocabulary. So the next thing is poach. So poach is nothing but it is also a action verb used in the kitchen, mainly to cook food gently in water. Okay, at low temperature. So let me give an example. You can poach the eggs by gently cooking them in simmering water. Okay, friends. So these was are the words for the day which we used in the kitchen. Okay. So if you have understood, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.